How to change clubs in Ultimate Golf. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are in Ultimate Golf and want to switch up your golf clubs, then here's how you do it. Launch open Ultimate Golf app on your device and make sure you are in the main home screen. From the home screen, select the golf bag option at the bottom right and then click on Clubs from the menu. Now go ahead and select the club you'd like to select or change to and click on the select button at the bottom right. You can also upgrade your club if available by tapping on the green button at the bottom, and you will spend 100 coins and you'll also be able to select a different club you want. Switch up the clubs according to your preference. There might be some clubs out there that needs to be unlocked first in order to switch between them. So that is how you will be able to change or switch between clubs you want in Ultimate Golf. Better clubs becomes available as you level up, complete challenges and earn trophies. Check back often in your golf bag to check for more clubs option. So there you have it. That is how you can easily switch between clubs in Ultimate Golf. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.